Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2020 Western Star glider kit day cab to show you. Factory built Lone Star. Put this one along with the other two that we have just like it together. Reman Detroits when they put them together, all well done. This particular one's got a 12.7, 10-speed, and 294 on the miles. Got a couple other ones with 250 and 280 on the miles. I've gotten this one hot. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, blow by, oil pressure, interior, exterior. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you the ins and outs of it. Call it normal to moderate blow by on this one. Probably moderate for a Detroit. These do have a little bit of rust on the frame rails. Been cleaned up and repainted. Some minor scratches that may flex up on the front corner. Typical black truck's going to show it more than anything else, but this one's got it. You can see there's some various spots there. It's also got, all three of these have full lockers and wet kits. You can see the bendable fifth wheel there. All aluminum wheels. Again, you've got some rust there, just not terrible, but it is there. It's been cleaned up. Typical on the fifth wheel plate, it has more rust than anywhere else. Main part of the frame is fine, interior frame is fine. Some more scratches there on the corner. Interiors are pretty clean. Here's your tower for the wet kit. Some miles. Super smooth to the RPMs. This one fired right up as well, but you don't have any vibrations. Super smooth all throughout every section there. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526, or you can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.